Hey guys, today we want to start with your project, and therefore we have provided you with two tools. It's the business model generator and the first page and the booklet. And today we're gonna start with your idea. The question is, which value do you create? And therefore we have a great tool for you. It's powered by Strategizer, and it's asking you the most crucial questions which can be seen in those bubbles here. It starts with our product or service, helps your customers who want to do something very specific by minimizing a certain pain and maximizing a gain, unlike your competitors in the very end. So for example, if you take Airbnb, it's like our online platform helps travelers who want to stay in a cozy environment by, and now we're talking about minimizing a pain, by directly booking apartments online. And when we talk about maximizing a gain, it's for low fees, unlike the competitors like hotels. So now you can try this for your own product to, in the very end, answer this crucial question: what value do you create? This can be the intangible value. For example, for Airbnb, we have it a cozy, low-fee stay. Whatever it is for yours, I'm sure you'll definitely find something, a value that you create. Thank you. Tschüss und bis bald.